how to log into Instagram using Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Simply click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. After you've done that, simply click on Account Center and then go to Sharing Across Profiles. Make sure there is Instagram and Facebook linked. After that, simply go back and then press on Logging in with accounts. In here, click the second option, which is choose which accounts can log in into other account. And click on Facebook and make sure Instagram is there. Make sure Instagram tick mark is there. After that, simply go to Instagram and write same email and password as Facebook, and it will simply log into your Instagram as well. This is how to log into Instagram using Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.